Time Slider by Hans Andersson is a unique digital clock that uses sliding grids to show or hide the segments of the digits. The sliders move in sync to show the current time every minute. Hans Andersson is also the creator of several other interesting clocks that show his ingenuity in designing innovative ways to display time. He even built a Rubik's Cube solver from a single Lego Mindstorm set. These devices are not plug-and-play devices. They are self-made using Lego pieces and 3D printed parts.